Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Joey Bianconi.
Welcome back, everybody. We are almost to the weekend here, and I have a relatively good forecast for you. It's not perfect, but it's not bad either. We start Friday off in the 40s and 50s across the state, most of us into the 50s. Feels pretty good out there right now under sunny to mostly sunny skies. Not a drop of rain in the state right now, but we will have some thunderstorms forming into southwestern Montana later on this afternoon. That includes places like West Yellowstone at the Red Lodge and Billings and Bozeman. We could hear a few rumbles of thunder through the afternoon, so if you're heading down to Yellowstone National Park, have a way to receive severe thunderstorm warnings if they are issued. We could be looking at some gusty wind and some small hail with these storms that form around 3, 4, 5 o'clock. We'll move up to the north and east and kind of fizzle out near the Billings area overnight tonight as we kind of just lose that thunderstorm energy. But here is a Pacific cold front coming through the state early tomorrow morning and into the afternoon hours into eastern Montana. Now, you see this green on the map here, at least for our lower elevations into valleys and the plains. Likely not going to reach the ground. We'll have some very dry surface conditions. Could be looking at an increase in the cloud cover, especially around Helena in the late morning hours, maybe mostly cloudy, but a partly cloudy day overall is expected. Now, we will have some thunderstorms with rain reaching the ground into eastern Montana, and we will see some severe thunderstorms with that as well as it moves off into the Dakotas, and we're left with dry conditions heading into Sunday in western Montana. But the Saturday severe weather threat extends all the way from Glasgow down to Baker and Broadus, down into southeastern Montana, where we will see, again, gusty winds and some small hail with some of these storms. Now, the wind stays light today, maybe 10 to 20 miles an hour through the state, but as that cold front comes through tomorrow, that's where we'll be looking at gusts of 20 to 30 miles an hour, maybe even an isolated gust of 40 miles an hour in a few locations here, but the wind does die down heading into Sunday morning. So into next week, we will have another cold front coming through, this time from the north, similar to the July pattern here that we've had. That will bring some widespread rain back to the state once again, mainly in north central and eastern Montana Monday and Tuesday. So here's the forecast for today. A lot of us reaching highs into the 70s and 80s under mostly sunny skies. If you're heading out to the Helena Art Walk tonight, going to be some pretty good weather out there between 4 and 8 o'clock. We will have a pretty nice weekend, but here comes that rain Monday and Tuesday once again, dropping temperatures back down into the 70s for highs. We're in the 90s by Thursday.